Oh my god.
What are you laughing at?
This picture. It's freaking funny.
Let's see the other ones.
Oh.
The gizzard one? Okay, line up on the wall again. Kylann's going to video us doing it.
Hello. You asked
Okay, see how I have the heads
where
almost
my
at the
hat is?
top, but I don't cut them off like this. I just hold it kind of like that so it's almost to the top. Okay, and now it's filming so you can't wiggle it around too much. Put your hand right up in there,
Alright,
and then you can hold it and film. There you go, just like that. Perfect.
Hello.
Okay, come over here, Heather.
Hurry fast while she's filming.
Come on, Tim.
Come on. I gotta find my iPad. What are we doing?
We're gonna just, she's filming us, be silly.
Film us do the neck. Let's
This
see
is
how long
super
your
silly.
neck can be this time.
That's how long you can make your neck.
Okay,
Come on, ready, big neck, go. Big neck. Who wins, Kylann?
I don't know.
Oh, that was scary. That was
Scared of
scary.
Heather, she's scared.
Turned around. She's scary. Are we filming?
No,
Or
stay
she's
close. We're gonna
filming?
say hi to Mom and Dad. Let's say
Oh,
something.
hi, Mom and Dad.
Hi, Dad.
We love you. Yeah, yeah. Our little quartet.
Good love.
Hey, that was pretty good. That was pretty darn good. And cut. Push the stop button.
Cut.
Dumb. We're funny.